guys, Natasha Tessier. Okay, so I decided to do another video on the Woodland Hills because I'm standing out in the new Westin Model, and they have a whole new park out here, Model Home Park, and I thought it would be cool to go over and see all the new products, and I have a lot of new information for you. So it used to be that 62% of this neighborhood was retired. Now it's about 50-50, which is interesting. So 50% young families, 50% kind of moving on to retirement. The other thing is there's a brand new HEB, which we knew about, but there's rumors of a new Costco going in just recently, but it's not 100%. So that would be really cool. There's going to be 4,500 total homes out here, and they're about a quarter of the way finished. So what I thought I'd do is go through these new 3 models. They're gorgeous. I thought you might want to see them. So I'm starting with this Westin. It is newer products coming out here. Okay, we're starting out at this Westin. We've got a nice open front door. We've got gorgeous hardwoods. This is a 1-story again, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. I'll start here to the right. We've got nice high ceilings in this front bedroom. I love all of the decorating and trim detail that they've done in this home. Love the little Texas sign, big windows everywhere. It's rainy out, tons of natural light. They've got a walk-in closet here, which is really nice. This is about 3,700 square feet. And here is a Jack and Jill right here. So you've got one sink here, and then you've got your toilet and shower. It's got cool tile going throughout. They've done a lot of black hardware in here. So you'll notice if this is matte black handles, you've got your black faucets on the 8-inch spread. So this is a Jack and Jill. And then you're gonna come into this other bedroom here. And this one has a closet as well. Nice walk-in closets here. So you've got 2 really pretty bedrooms. They have their own sinks, very spacious, and a Jack and Jill, so they just share the toilet and shower. So here's back to the front. And then come down here, you've got a powder bathroom, which is also the bathroom for the bedroom behind me. Check out the cool tile. And you've got a nice vanity with, again, the black accents, toilet, very cool lighting. All the lighting throughout is very cool. And then another bedroom, super high ceilings, makes it feel really, really big. Again, wall details. Just so you can kind of get a view of this room. Okay, so that is the hallway bathroom, and I was wrong because they have their own shower. So they have an ensuite here. So that's just the powder bath that they saw before. I love this tile as well. Very pretty again. They have done black. Look at the beautiful sconces, the old mirrors. And then this must be their closet here. Wow, nice big closet. So all 3 bedrooms have a big closet. 2 share a Jack and Jill. And then you've got your half bath here. This is also gonna be a coat closet. So as you go down here, let me show you these lights. I kind of forgot to show you those, and I love them. So you've got wood detailing on every part of the ceiling here, and they lined up these lights that they're all 3 the same. So when you walk in, it looks really, really pretty. So coming back here, they're still working on the backyard. This is a brand new model. You've got your open concept here, nice high ceilings with beams. And got your big gas fireplace, a little study right here, which is really, really nice. And then your living room, dining room, and kitchen all in one. So I love this kind of T-shaped island. I know that's really popular. And then you come over here, you've got a nice gas cooktop. You've got your farmhouse sink, again with the black. And then on this one, they have a pull-out trash. You've got your appliances. Right off here is going to be your mudroom. So this is going to go out to the garage here. They've got this one epoxied, And let me see how big this is. So here is one garage. They don't have it built out yet, obviously, because this is the model. And then you would come in here, have a drop station and your laundry right here. And this is the pantry, which is also a decent size. And on this one, they don't have a double oven. They have the microwave and the oven below. This is kind of a going entry into the primary. Gorgeous primary. It's big. I love all the hanging pendant lights. Dark walls, very cozy. They did a fantastic job on this. And then here is your primary suite, primary bathroom. So you've got your double vanity there, and then you've got your makeup little station here. Shower and tub, toilet, and then your closet back here. I did not connect the closet to the laundry like they do on a lot of the Westin. The one I just closed on has that, but it is still a very, very stunning model, 1-story. I'll also show you the back porch here, just so you can see the covered porch that they have. Big fan, nice and covered. Okay, so I'm still walking. You can see the new model home park. The Chesmar on the end is supposed to be really cute and more affordable. You've got Brightland, Perry, Ravana is building one here. Let me show you the exterior of this one. Okay, so this is the exterior of the Westin that I just walked you through. You've got several other, you've got Perry, Brightland. I wanted to go back here and see a few of these back here as well. I thought it would be fun to go see this Highland. It's a little bit different. They've got these parapet walls, which are really cool. Just the wall, you'll see the brick wall goes above the roof itself. It's called a parapet wall. And so I thought I'd take us through this one, and then I'm also gonna try to go through J Patrick, assuming they are open right now. We have a rainy day. Here's a Perry right here, and I've been told the Chesmar on the end is really cute if you're looking again for something on the lower price point in Woodland Hills. Okay, so I just walked in the Highland. You've got a lot of trim detail, little darker floors here. Nice high ceilings. Okay, so coming in here again, got a guest room off the front, nice high ceilings. Looks like the tray ceiling is still in, but with paint. Got a luxury carpet, and they've got their own ensuite bathroom. I just did, so I was previously an interior designer for Southern Living. So I go with all my clients that build from scratch and help them select everything. So we were talking about mixing metals and how that's normal right now. And they actually were thinking of doing the same thing. I'll have to show them this. But this one has its own bathroom and a nice big closet. She said it's 3,700 square feet as well. I love that the doors are just a little bit more natural looking than white. That's very pretty. Nice trim detail on the front. This one has a double door. And let's go back down here. So again, you've got these natural doors. This one's wallpapered. And again, they're mixing brass and gold. Looks like a storage closet. And then you've got another bedroom here. It's very green. A lot of my Highlands are green. They like the green. The decorator likes it. I love it too. It's gorgeous. So you've got that with this. And then you've got your own bathroom here. And then you've got another bedroom with their own bathroom. So it's very cool. All these are en suite so far. So everybody has their own bathroom. This is a cute bedding set here. And closet. So 3 bedrooms up front with 3 ensuite bathrooms, which is really nice. Again, more trim detail. Look at this kitchen. Now it looks like the dark is coming back in here. And got a beautiful brick fireplace. Nice high ceilings. You've got all the wood detail. So again, you've got your dining, living room, and kitchen all in one. Lots of glass cabinetry, open concept. Got your big sink and plenty of cabinetry. It looks like these are the monogram appliances. Very, very pretty. Love this kind of bar right here. Huge island to eat on. And this one's kind of cool because you have the game room right here. So right off your main, you've got a game room, which is fantastic with a media room. I love it. Right there off your entertaining, it's perfect. Let's go to the back and see what else we can find. So this is probably your primary, yes, wow. Huge room, vaulted ceilings, little window sitting area, just gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So again, this is our Highland model, and they're mixing metals again. So you've got your 2 sinks and your vanity in between here. And then got your closet, toilet. I'm sure this is like a linen closet. This is a huge closet. Keep exploring here. This is a great layout. I really, really like it. You've got your outdoor living. Very, very pretty. They've also added a little dining fireplace out here, which is so cute. And then there's one more room on this back side over here that I haven't discovered yet. So this is like your bar here. And then this is like a little study with built-ins and lighting. Wow. What a stunning model. Okay, wow, that was gorgeous. That is the Highland behind me. Now I'm walking over to J Patrick so that I can give you guys several models to look at, but such pretty models out here. It is so gorgeous what they are doing. And I like all the 1-stories. This is a 2-story, so it'll be a little different, but I like all the 1-stories. Okay, so this is J Patrick, nice wide entry, single door again. Walking in here, gorgeous staircase. Got a nice dining room and huge living room right here. Just beautiful. So this one's over 4,000 square feet, 5-bedroom. It starts at $850, but with all the upgrades, this one is worth over $1 million. You've got your kind of little bar area going to your dining room. And here's your kitchen. This one does have a double oven, which is nice. Big fireplace. So we will keep exploring this guy. Coming down here, gonna be your primary. So you've got your laundry room right next door to it, which is nice. And then you've got your primary bedroom. Nice details everywhere, nice sitting area. Cute, oh, this has the shower tub combo. Look at the size of the shower with the tub in there. Very cool. Obviously a double vanity. One closet here, or maybe it connects. Yes, it connects through. Huge cool shower. If you're into showers. And that's gonna be your toilet right there. So here's your little sitting area. And then, like I said, you've got your, so you come in from the garage, your drop station and your laundry right here by your primary. Got a linen closet here and a powder bath. That's that. Let's see what's at the front here because I missed this little section. So here you come in and another big bedroom. So you've got a guest bedroom up the front here, and they have their own bathroom. Full bath. Pretty tile there. Got a lot of earth tones going on here. So then we will head upstairs. Love the curved staircase. one bedroom here. Again, their own bathroom. Very popular to have ensuite bathrooms right now. And then this is going to be their closet. See the living room really well here. Got a game room here with a bar and media room again. So that's 3 bedrooms so far. The primary, the guest room down, the one at the top of the stairs over there, and then I'm assuming there's 2 more over here. So yes, here's one bedroom. Looks like they have the black or bronze windows. Big closet. I really like that tile. So they share this hallway bathroom. Check out this tile. Pretty cool. They've got black fixtures up here, black doorknobs. And then another bedroom. Cute. Gorgeous. Okay, so now I've been through 3 so far, and they're all just gorgeous, really. So if you need help, reach out anytime. I would love to give you, oh, let me update you. So 20 total parks going into this neighborhood. They're working on 2 more. They already have pickleball courts. The 2 new parks, one of them will have a basketball court. Again, I've showed you this on my previous videos. It has a year-round lap pool. I did find out it's not heated, but it is year-round. And then the other lazy river pool is seasonal. So, and then there's literally miles and miles of all connected trails that you can walk. So really cool. 2 different tax rates, 2 different school districts. So be careful when you're doing that if you want to be in the Willis ISD or Conroe ISD or what, you know, city you want to be in. But reach out anytime. I'd love to help, and I hope you have a blessed day.